Hi friends. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the beautiful kitchen granite countertop designs. So friends, in this video I'm going to share their latest price and what are the points to remember before purchasing the granite countertops and what are the procedure for installing. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. Granite countertops are a premium choice for kitchens due to their natural beauty and performance. Because it is formed from igneous rock composed mainly of quartz and mica. Each slab is unique with a visible grains and variations in colors and textures. So friends, it has some beautiful features include like durability and resistance. So it is extremely hard. Granite is highly resistant to scratches. Also there are stains and bacteria resistance, making it ideal for the high traffic kitchens. Also, it withstands the daily use without fading or losing the luster over the decades. Also, they are available in hundreds of colors like brown, black, white, beige, and patterns. So you can select as per your choice and as per your requirement. Also, they are the good features for versatility, like suitable for the even indoor and outdoor use. Also, including the backsplash, island, and vanity. So it adds a luxury and can increase the home value by 1 to 2% due to its timeless appeal. So friends, it is also low in maintenance, like a non-porous when sealed, requiring only mild soap and water for cleaning. And also it is eco-friendly. It is 100% natural, recyclable, and sourced sustainably. So friends, though it is heavy slabs, we require careful handling. And now we're going to know their latest price. So friends, actually the price totally depends upon the thickness, finish, and the location where we live. So friends, in our location the actually price of granite starts from 120 rupees per square feet. It goes to 200 rupees per square feet. The price totally depends upon their thickness and the quality of the countertop. So thickness is typically is 18 to 20 for counters, finish, and supply. So friends, there are also different prices are available for the countertop, like they are starts from 90 rupees. It is a basic which is black color, and another one is brown color which starts from 90 rupees per square feet. So friends, suppose let we think that we want the 10 by 2 countertop size, so it will cost almost 2400 rupees. So friends, as I told you that the top price is totally based on the thickness and the quality of the granite. So here I have taken 120 rupees per square feet. Also there are many more of the good quality and more thickness, like they starts from 180 rupees, 170 rupees per square feet. So friends, before purchasing you should remember some important points, like always set your budget, and so factor is the total cost like material plus labor cost. So extra like sinks, so you should add that extra amount while fixing the kitchen countertops. And always choose the Indian granite for affordable or imported for rarity. So always check the codes, cross verify the price from different shops. And for measuring, take the measure precisely, match to the cabinets flooring like a light granite for the small dark kitchens. And always check the quality, also inspect for cracks, fissures. Higher grades have fewer imperfections, so test the porosity also. So friends, avoid the unsealed slabs, so always check the cross verify with the unsealed. And before installation, so remove the old counters, level the cabinets, and after that Reinforced with a 3 by 4 inch plywood on top for slabs or unsupported spans. So clear the pathway. Slabs are heavy, so seal before using. So wait for the 24 hours post installations because pots initially test fit slab dries before gluing. So also uneven cabinets cause the cracks, poor sealing leads to stains. So always check all these things and always consult a local expert for the site specific advice. Proper installations. Always hire the professional to fix the countertops. So friends, so these are the points to remember, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, for a beautiful kitchen countertop we require a beautiful kitchen sink design. So in this video I'll share some beautiful sink designs also. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. And in the kitchen sink, in Indian homes, steel sink is the most popular sink which are used commonly because they are a very strong and durable material. So friends, there are the different good brands are available in the sinks like Prestige, Jindal, and Plantex. You can check out my description, friends, for the latest price. So friends, if you like my videos, then please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.